People decide if they like you within seconds, but there's one habit that can completely change that. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use it so people instantly feel more comfortable around you. Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my channel, where I focus on communication, leadership, and professional development. The problem is, most people think being likable is about personality, but it's not. It's about your behavior. And the good news is that means you can learn it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 key skills that will help you build that habit so more people feel more comfortable and positive around you. Because likability isn't about being fake, loud, or overly confident. It's about how you make others feel when you're around. So skill number 1, make people feel seen. Most people walk into conversations thinking, how do I come across? Likeable people think, how does this person feel right now? Here's an example. You're in a meeting and someone shares an idea. Instead of jumping in with your opinion straight away, you say, that's interesting. How did you come up with that? That's a small shift that makes people feel heard. Key takeaway, people like people who notice them. Skill number 2, use their name and acknowledge them. This sounds simple, but most people don't do it well. Using someone's name and acknowledging what they've said builds instant connection. Example, instead of saying, yeah, I agree, say, yes, Sarah, that's a really good point. It signals respect and attention. Key takeaway, recognition equals likability. Skill 3, match their energy. One of the fastest ways to feel awkward around someone is when their energy doesn't match yours. Likeable people naturally adjust. For example, if someone is calm and reserved and you come in loud and intense, there's going to be friction. If someone is upbeat and energetic and you're flat, it feels disconnected. Key takeaway, you don't need to change who you are. You need to just meet people where they are. Skill 4, show genuine curiosity. Most conversations are surface level. Likeable people go deeper. Example, instead of asking, how was your weekend? Ask, what was the best part of your weekend? Now you've opened up the door to get a real answer. Key takeaway, curiosity makes conversations memorable. Skill 5, remove self-focus. This is the habit that ties everything together. When you're focused on yourself, how do I sound? Do they like me? You come across as tense or distant. When you focus on the other person, you relax and they feel it. Example, instead of planning what to say next, just listen fully and respond naturally. Confidence isn't thinking about yourself less critically, it's thinking about yourself less. Now we're at the action plan. Here's a simple way to start applying these immediately. Number 1, in your next conversation, focus on making the other person feel seen. Ask one follow-up question before sharing your own opinion. 2, use their name at least once and make it natural but intentional. Number 3, match their tone and pace. Don't overpower or underwhelm the interaction. 4, ask one deeper question. Move beyond a surface level conversation. 5, shift your focus outward. Stop worrying about how you're coming across and start focusing on how they feel. If you do just these 5 things consistently, you'll notice people responding differently to you and fast. In conclusion, being likable isn't just about trying to impress people. It's about making people feel comfortable, heard, and valued. And when you do that, people naturally enjoy being around you. We're giving away a free career planner course. Please see the link below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.